How to earn money with cryptocurrency. Nobody anticipated Bitcoin's value to climb to the heights it is at right now when it was initially released. And acceptance with other cryptocurrencies like Maker, Monero, and Ethereum. You may be wondering how to profit from cryptocurrencies and if it's too late to get on the money-making wagon it gave birth to. The best ways to make money now, fortunately, include investing, trading, crypto lending, mining, and staking. 1. Investing. Investing is one of the most often used methods for earning money using cryptocurrencies. However, there is a slight variation from how you would invest in a firm. Use the buy and hold method instead of investing your money in the company in hopes that it will grow and pay you back on its own. As with any investment, this is somewhat dangerous because you would be investing money into something that is now worthless, just to resell it to others when they are in need. Based on historical data, those who implemented this method successfully profited significantly, especially if they have been accumulating Bitcoin since its early days, when it was just worth a few pennies, to the present day, when it is worth thousands. 2. Crypto lending. The many digital financial services that are offered to investors and traders via cryptocurrencies are referred to as centralized finance, CeFi, and blockchain technology similar to how traditional high street banks run, but with services adapted for cryptocurrencies. Crypto loans are one of these businesses, allowing investors to utilize their cryptocurrency holdings as collateral to gain liquidity on their investments while keeping their cryptocurrency money in place. While your assets are being held in a secure cold wallet, this procedure allows you to invest in promising assets. The capacity to respond to developments in the cryptocurrency market is the finest feature about crypto financing. The greatest moment to invest in promising assets is when the crypto market is in a downturn. Buy the dip is a term used to describe this tactic. 3. Trading. Trading, as contrast to investing, is more of a short-term technique where you will gain money in spurts. To achieve this, you must first possess a cryptocurrency of some type and exchange it for another currency on one of the various platforms available. Trading carries a little bit more risk due to the crypto market's potential for volatility. You need strong technical and analytical abilities for this technique because prices can change drastically in a matter of minutes. Due to this, we would propose that people who have greater familiarity with cryptocurrency should consider this choice. However, for first-time investors, particularly those interested in more well-known cryptocurrencies, the investment is significantly safer. 4. Mining. You have probably already heard the word mining 100 times. You have probably already heard the word mining 100 times. Finding PC components got fairly challenging. As a result, you may have frequently heard about it in the news. 5. Staking. Staking is a method that should only be used by people who are familiar with the world of cryptocurrencies. You might be wondering how to earn money with cryptocurrencies through staking. In essence, you are put in the position of a bank. You may lend any currency you obtain to a network so it can use it in transactions, paying you a tiny proportion for each one, whether you acquired it by investing, trading, or mining. The key to profiting from this method is finding a network with plenty of trade, which is where the prior information comes in extremely helpful. 6. Crypto esports betting. If you had asked someone 10 years ago if esports would be as popular as they are now, they would have laughed at you. However, the gaming industry has been caught off guard as esports progressively overtake traditional sports in popularity. It's astonishing that certain tournaments have already drawn more viewers than the Super Bowl in the US. You may place bets on esports much like traditional sports. Since many bookies are still learning about it, their odds can occasionally be rather intriguing. And you can easily earn a quick profit from crypto betting if you have even a passing familiarity with the esports sector. 7. Buy and exchange NFTs. It is crucial to comprehend what NFTs are before we can talk about purchasing and trading them. NFT, or non-fungible token, is the newest development in the Bitcoin industry. They are one-of-a-kind digital treasures and pieces of art. They are easily traded in a blockchain because of their singularity. It might sound strange, but for many artists, the payback has been enormous. The Nyan Cat GIF, which sold for $600,000, and Jack Dorsey's first tweet, which cost $2.9 million, are the finest instances of how much investors might be willing to pay to acquire the rights to an NFT. 8. Play to earn games. This is undoubtedly your best option if you love to play games and are seeking for a means to make money with cryptocurrencies without actually investing any of your own money. There are a number of games that you can play on a casual or tough level and earn some type of cryptocurrency as a reward for your achievement, even though they are still far from flawless. Axie Infinity, run by the Vietnam-based business Sky Mavis, is one of the greatest play-to-earn games. You may also pick up some NFTs in this game, which take the shape of virtual pets. These NFTs may be exchanged for game cash, which can subsequently be exchanged for real money. Consider it as a blockchain-based version of Pokémon, with a social network already included and an economy that extends beyond the video game. Since its March 2018 introduction, this game has generated over $3 billion in total revenues, and as more people learn that it can be a reliable source of income, it continues to expand. 9. Competitive gaming. Did you realize that there are currently more competitive crypto games than there are none at all? Esports have entered the blockchain, and doing so has never looked so fantastic. You heard it right. To develop esports competitions for your preferred blockchain games, organizers have joined forces, much like we see for games like Call of Duty and Valorant. For instance, the Axie Infinity World Championships were held in Barcelona, Spain, the previous year. Here, some of the most competitive Axie players gathered to compete for bragging rights, a $1 million cash prize pool, as well as several other awards. If you are interested in using cryptocurrencies to generate money through competitive gaming, you are in luck. Compared to regular esports, which will have thousands of individuals competing to succeed, it is still an untouched industry. 10. Content creation. We can now move on to our final Bitcoin revenue stream, content development. The development of content is now a fantastic approach to increase your cryptocurrency earnings as well as brand awareness. There are vibrant cryptocurrency scenes on websites like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord, where millions of people interact with content. Websites like TikTok and Twitter are excellent for significantly expanding your following. You may become the next major influencer on the blockchain with only one popular post. Of course, if you want to grab people's attention, you need to know what you are talking about. There may be an initial upfront fee because you also need to take your content's quality into account. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.